Oh, oh no. Oh no. If you are just joining us, this is part of a series where I attempt to get this 40-year-old Saab 900 Turbo, aka Vader 900, ready for the legendary Tail of the Dragon. That's 11 miles and 318 curves through the Smoky Mountains, and my goal is to make sure this Swedish classic is reliable, tight, and fun enough to conquer it without ending up in a ditch. Along the way, I'll be taking on repairs and upgrades I've never done before, sharing the wins, the headaches, and probably a few sketchy moments. So buckle up and follow along as we prep Vader 900 for the Dragon. In the last episode, we tracked down a clutch fluid leak, which turned out to be a shot slave cylinder. So while I was in there, I went ahead and replaced the rear main seal, resurfaced the flywheel, swapped in a new pilot bearing, pressure plate, slave cylinder, and the throwout bearing. After bleeding the system with fresh fluid, we finally have clutch pressure again. And now it's time to start the car for the first time in about a month and go for a quick test drive. Okay, that's very concerning. Did I lose all the oil? Well, there's plenty of oil. Let's just let it run for a bit. Alright, so that's running a lot better. It's because of this cover. I think something is hitting it against the flywheel, and that was the tapping. So now it's running a little bit better. I mean, really good actually. So I'm gonna take it for a very short drive. Alright, this is the redemption drive. And so far, clutch is working pretty good. Very strong. A lot stronger than what I remember actually. So maybe it had some problems before, but I just didn't notice. Right, here we go. So far so good. No weird noises. And here we go into third. Third is good. Into fourth. Fourth is good. Fifth is good. All right. It feels so good to be driving this again after almost 2 months now. And I'm actually pretty happy that I was able to replace all those parts because I've never done it before. You know, I recently got another car for my wife. It's the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5. It's an EV. As a car enthusiast, I didn't really know how to or what to expect getting an EV. But surprisingly, that car is pretty nice and it's quiet, it's comfortable, and instant torque is very convenient actually. So I've been driving that car around for a while now, and it's just so good to be back in this smelly, noisy, emotion car. It's just so much better. I really miss this. All right, well, that was a good test drive and everything seems to check out. And we're back. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Why? In a twisted turn of events, the moment I rolled back into the driveway and said, "That was a good first test drive," the oil pressure light started flickering at me. My heart almost jumped out of my chest because, let's be honest, an oil pressure light is never a fun sight. But this engine's only got 130,000 miles, and I've got way too much faith in these Saab H engines to think it suddenly developed a real oil pressure problem. So first thing I'm gonna try is the oil pressure sensor, which is right here. It's the new one, and it goes right there. So just a one plug and unscrew, and comes with the washer, and pretty simple. Old one, new one. It's a little different actually, but hope it's okay. I don't even know if this is original. or not, maybe it is. But this is Beck and, let me get the box. Beck and Arnley. They seem to be quite a reputable brand, so I went and got this one. So I'm gonna put this in. This one is actually a 22 mil, and this one is a 21 mil, which threw me off a bit in the beginning. So there's that. Well, my GoPro just died, but I think that oil problem went away. I hope. I took it around the block a few times and the oil light hasn't come on, but I think I'll have to check when I park the car. I would say that's good. Let's go, boys. And something else that I've been meaning to do are the accessory belts. This car has 3 of them. The one on the AC compressor, I'm pretty sure that's like almost on its way out because it's kind of wiggling and it sounds funny, kind of squeaky too. And while I'm at it, I'll just do the other 2 as well. Bruh. Alright, so loosening that nut right there was the trick. That allows for more tension to go off. And I was able to get the belt off like that. Now let's see if I got the right belt. Well, comparing the old one and the new one, the teeth are not the same. But if you look at the part number, AVX 131175LA, it looks to be the same exact part number. Maybe they just changed the teeth because it doesn't matter. I don't know, but I'm just gonna wing it. Alright, so the second and third belt. Whoa, wait a minute. There's 4 belts. Are you kidding me? There's 2 up there and then another one down there. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I see the tensioner. It's the same kind of logic as the first one I just did down there. So I'm gonna remove that. So I got the first 2 removed and then the last 2 are over here. I think that's for the alternator. And the tensioner is right there. Alright, that's the tensioner, 1 nut right there, and that nut right there, that's also good to loosen. And I think the belt is pretty loose now, or at least the tension, yeah.
Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah, hope I get away with it. Oh, da doo-dah day. Bruh.
Oh, that took like 45 minutes to do. Jeez. So it's been a couple days, but I've taken all the belts out. And if you are going with Continental, here are the part numbers. The 2 for the alternator is the AVX 10975. These 2 are the other part numbers. This matches exactly with what I have in the car. The only difference is that the older ones, which I assume are a lot older, they're made in Germany, whereas these, they're engineered in Germany, but they are, oh, this one's made in Germany. Where was the other one? Okay, yeah, this one is made in China, and these ones, oh, also made in Germany. So I guess only this one is made in China. Not to say that's a bad thing, but just the difference I noticed, because all the ones that were in my car originally, they're all made in Germany. So I'm probably not going to record all of it because it's just the reverse of putting it back on, and honestly, putting belts on is not very exciting. So pretty high. I don't know why. Maybe the belts are too tight or something. I'm gonna do some research and figure out why that is. I forgot to plug in this thing. Huh. Now it's idling much lower, so that's good. Belts are looking much better. There's no shakiness like before. So I think we're good. Now that we have the not so fun stuff out of the way, I'm gonna switch gears and do something fun, which are LED light bulbs. These are very easy to replace on these cars, and these should make for a good upgrade because LED bulbs have a quicker response time. And so it's safer, brighter, and it should help when I'm at the tail of the dragon. Does it really make a big difference? Probably not, but it's still something I wanted to do on these old dim bulbs. These LED light bulbs are from Oxido, who is the sponsor of this episode. A big thanks to them for sending these out to me. Oxido offers a wide range of high-quality LED lighting solutions for just about every part of your car. Headlights, interior lights, brake lights, turn signals, you name it. They're designed to be plug-and-play, super bright, and much longer lasting than standard halogen bulbs. If you're looking to modernize your lighting with a clean, crisp look, I definitely recommend checking them out. I'll have a link in the description below, and you can use my coupon code WORKS15 during checkout to get a nice 15% off your order. Well, I think we accomplished a lot on this episode, but as a side note, it's getting pretty chilly here in Tennessee, which means it's not only turbo weather, but also hoodie weather, hoodie season, whatever you want to call it. It is my favorite season of the year. To celebrate, I made this Born from Jets hoodie, and if you know, that used to be Saab's motto or one of their mottos. And not only that, I just welcomed a new member of the family, and because, the baby was born from Jets, because, I got a new baby. So if you're interested in getting one of these hoodies and also supporting the channel, I have them in many different sizes and some various colors. So I'll have a link in the description below for my store. So if you could show some support, that would be amazing. Anyways, if you're still here watching, thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you for sticking around till the very end. I'll see you guys on the next one.